In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to YouTube on an outdated Vizio TV, whether the app is missing, no longer updating, or just won't open. If your Vizio TV is older and doesn't support the latest version of YouTube, don't worry. There are still several ways to get it working. First, if your Vizio TV has a built-in SmartCast system, try opening the SmartCast app on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select a YouTube video to beam it directly to your TV. If that's not an option, check if the YouTube app is installed on your TV. Use the remote to browse the apps section. If you see YouTube but it keeps crashing, it might be outdated. Unfortunately, Vizio often stops supporting older models, so the app may not update anymore. Here's where the easy fix comes in. Use a streaming device. Plug in a Chromecast, Fire Stick, Roku, or even an Apple TV into an HDMI port. These devices have up-to-date versions of YouTube and work great with older TVs. Another trick: if your Vizio TV has an HDMI input and a laptop, use screen mirroring. Connect your laptop to the TV via HDMI, then open YouTube on your computer and mirror the display. You can also try using the built-in browser, if available, on some older Vizio models. Open it and go to m.youtube.com. You'll get a mobile-friendly version of YouTube where you can search and play videos directly. Thanks for watching. If one of these methods helped you connect to YouTube on your older Vizio TV, drop a comment below and let me know which solution worked best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV fixes. See you next time.